Just a little aside, this is a Lonestar push-along N-gauge model. Actually predating N-gauge, it's 000, which is 1 in 152, same as 2mm fine scale. And I picked up a bunch of these and thought it'd be fun to try and restore them. This is my first attempt, and I thought I'd go for the broke on the Lonestar A4. It's in British rail condition, as you can see from the crest on the tender and the removal of the valences. Doesn't have pretty much any other detail, but that's enough. I'm probably going to try and paint it up in either BR green or as the experimental passenger express blue. So first thing to do is to strip it. I'm going to use this pot to put some power strip in and get it stripped and see what happens. This is the paint stripper I'm using. Power strip. This is mostly gone. I used it when I was restoring my little tool chest, which is behind me. This guy has some white paint on it that I had to remove, but there should be enough to try and strip this A4. And this is what they look like now after they've been stripped. I think the chassis have been chemically blackened because the paint stripper didn't get anything off of them at all. Pretty pleased with that, actually. It's not perfect, but definitely serviceable.